In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use two-step verification on WhatsApp. This will help you add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp and stop people without access from restoring your WhatsApp. Go ahead and open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Here you want to tap on settings and then tap on accounts. Under account, you're going to see two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification and tap on turn on. Select your 6-digit PIN for your two-step verification and enter the PIN again for confirmation. Tap on save, and just like that you have created your two-step verification. Now to be able to reset your PIN and have access to your WhatsApp account, you need to add an email address. You can always skip this. To add your email address, tap on add email, enter your email address and tap on next. A verification code will be sent to that email. Check your email address and enter the code that was sent and then tap on verify. Once your verification is complete, you'll be able to reset if you forget your PIN. So thank you for watching this video on how to enable and use two-step verification on WhatsApp. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.